Hello guys, it's Rushing by Nature, and as always this commentary is not about the gameplay, but it's about the topic of the day. And today's topic is a monthly series called Android Addiction. Every month I will make a video with commentary about Android. It will include new applications that I've been using, new Android operating system updates, and almost everything new around Android. Today's video will be about the applications that I'm using the most on my phone or tablet. Every app that I will mention will have a link to Google Play in the description below or in annotation during the video. The first app is called Tasks. This is a third-party application that gives you access to your Google Tasks. I use it when I go shopping. My wife makes a list, what should I buy, on our home computer or laptop, and this list appears automatically on my phone. This way I do not need to bring with me a paper shopping list. It includes a lock screen widget, so I can access it without even unlocking my phone. The second app is called IMDb. Of course, every movie fan knows about it, and I had to include it in the list. The app keeps you up to date with the new movies that came out or will be coming out in the near future. Also, you can keep track for new episodes of your favorite TV series. The third app is uTorrent Remote. Actually, the title of the app says it all. It's a remote control for the uTorrent client that you have on your PC. I have one on my HD PC, and with this app I can see if a torrent is downloaded or not. I can start or stop a torrent, which is very useful, for example, when you want to play a multiplayer game and you need the full bandwidth and latency of your internet connection. The fourth app is Portipal. It's very useful if you play any kind of sports. For example, I use it when I ride my bike or when I'm snowboarding in the winter. When you start the application, it will track your progress, and when you end it, it will give you useful information like amount of kilometers, maximum speed, average speed, altitude, and the most interesting feature is that it will give you the path exactly where you went on Google Maps. The fifth app is Google Keep. It's a brand new app from Google, and it's definitely the best to do and tasks app on Android. It has a nice interface and it's very easy to use. I use it as to keep my track of the stuff that I need to do for a specific task. The sixth app is Google Now. I know it's included in the latest Android version and it's not an external app, but I had to include it in the list because at first I thought it's not that useful. It was showing me only the weather information in my town, but when you go in another town or abroad, it starts to give you a lot of useful information, like points of interests, the weather information in the current location, traffic information, currency exchange rate, and so on. All this information is provided automatically for you, so no need to set up anything. Just try it the next time you go outside of your town, but keep in mind that it needs internet connection all the time. The seventh application is Google Drive. The first thing I use it for is as a replacer for a USB drive. I have a desktop application installed on every PC I have, which allows me to quickly access the files on Google Drive. So if you want to send a file to your phone or tablet, it's as easy as copy and paste. Using it in this way, you do not need to bring a USB drive with you. The second use of Google Drive is to use it as a complete Microsoft Office replacer. You have Word, Excel, and PowerPoint with a web interface, so you have all of your documents anytime and anywhere. For example, I write the scripts for my videos on my PC in a Word document, and after that I have access to them on my tablet or phone. Since I have a couple of more minutes of gameplay, I wanted to talk with you about the next episode of Android Addiction. It will be about Google I/O 2013. This is a conference that Google gives every single year. It will be from May 15th to May 17th. It's a 3 days conference. So the next episode of Android Addiction will happen right after that, and I will try to cover every single new stuff that Google announces at those conferences. And I'm very excited because almost every year Google announces a new version of Android operating system, and it will be we will have a lot to talk about. So as final words, if you liked this video, please subscribe or hit the like button, and as always, have a nice day.
UAV on standby.
And by the way, just stay a couple of more seconds with the video. The final kill cam is very cool.